Good morning, guys. What's up? Welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are doing absolutely fine. It's a Saturday morning. It's 5 minutes to 5 o'clock. It's very hot in Hyderabad. You can see that I'm sweating really badly. I'm all ready for this trip. Like I told you guys, I'm going to a village where I grew up. It's a small village in Karnataka. It's called Kurugunta. I'm almost ready actually, and my family is also getting ready. We are super duper excited. I'm not sure if the video is going to be too very long, but I'll try and keep it as short and sweet as possible. I will show you guys around as well, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned to the channel. Don't forget to like and give it a thumbs up, and also the main thing is subscribe to the channel. Till then, I will meet you guys in the car. Alright guys, welcome back to the vlog. I spoke to you guys at home and I told you I'll meet you in the car. So here we are. I started quite some time back. It's around 7:02 right now, and it's pretty busy actually, the road. Today is Gandhi Jayanti, so a lot of people are meeting at a certain point and paying their respects as well. The drive is going so right now. I mean, nothing that great because couldn't get an empty stretch or couldn't do good speeds as well. That's my brother's car in front. He's also in his Ford. Alright, and we are planning to stop for breakfast right now in a bit when we get a nice hotel, and yeah, take the journey from there. So far so good. Stay gripped to the video. I guess we stopped as well. Yeah, you guys can see. Yeah, Udupi Krishna Grand. We are stopping here for breakfast. So I'll do one thing guys. I'll have breakfast, pet ka puja thoda karke. I will talk to you guys. Guys, after 4.5 to 5 hours of driving and a lot of breaks in the middle, having a lot of fun, you can see in front of me this board says Kurugunta. I need to take a right from here, and the village would start from here. Getting goosebumps kind of right now. It's a very nostalgic feeling. I can't tell you guys how excited I am to go ahead and witness and see how the place is and what people are doing there. It's a very nice feeling. So wanted to show you guys this as well. This is the entrance. This is how it goes. I don't really remember much of the place, I mean of the roads, is because I was quite small, but I remember quite a bit of it, like the locality and all of it. So here it goes guys. I will show you each and every bit of it, where we spent our childhood. And yeah, so you can see my brother has stopped as well. There's another car which is stopped in front, so he's also joined along because he also grew up, he, his family and all, we all grew up together, cousins. So we are super excited. This is the quarters, all right, and this was where the employees used to stay, but since CCI is closed down now, nobody is staying. You can see how it's become. And that blue shop over there, if you can see, was our ration shop, where we used to walk all the way from our house and we used to come here and pick up rations. So that's how it is. My god, it's such a nostalgic feeling. It's so good. Guys, this was the colony where all our friends used to stay, man. Oh god, everything has changed. Guys, if you look at this part, this was the back of our house. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. All right, this was the back portion of our house, and it's all locked up right now. I'm not sure who has taken it. My god, it's such a great feeling. Yeah, I'll show you guys the entrance as well. These guys have actually broken it up. So if you see this, right, this pump, we used to fill water from here, and this was the entrance actually. This, yeah, this was it. We used to burst crackers over there near that window, and this was a little more extended, and that was our house. Oh, such a beautiful feeling. Yeah, I just can't tell you. Guys, if you look here, this can you see the playground? This was our school actually, school playground, and that's our school. I hope you can see it. I'll be going closer over there. I'll try and show you as well from there. And I'm also planning to go to the CCI factory, so I'll try and show you that as well. Guys, this is the quarry, CCI, I told you, right, the Cement Corporation of India factory. You can see this is the service vehicle. We have come over here, and it's in a very bad state, this place. It's completely off.
Money is to put the Ganesh Pandal there.
Yes.
To cut the goat.
Yes, correct.
Is to eat here.
Yes, man. See this, guys. These are the dumpers over here. All of these were used. It's no more in use now. It's so sad to see. You can see what's become the state of this place. Guys, if you look straight over there, that is the CCI factory. All right, and this is the lake or the river, whatever you call it. This thing over here. You can see how it is. This is another part as well. You can see this. Alright guys, we just had lunch with actually one of our very old family friends over here. They were very kind enough actually to invite us over for lunch, and we did not even inform them, but we did meet them in the colony when we came, and they offered us lunch, and the lunch was amazing. I'm super tired and it's extremely hot, so I'm gonna end this vlog for today. I'm not sure if I would just you know, probably sit here for a little while or more, or leave immediately, but I'm definitely done for the day. Super tired, super hot. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know you know, most of you guys would be thinking as to, you know, why I'm going ahead and putting a vlog where I'm showing you where I lived. See, the reason I did that is because you guys also are a part of my family, and I did feel it important, you know, to also share this joy and to also share this moment with you guys, so that we can be connected as well. So that's the only reason I did it. I hope you guys liked this video. You know, do take care of yourselves, take care, stay safe, stay home. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel.